The central theme of my speech, Pedaling Through Peace, How Biking Became My Comfort Zone, is about how biking can bring calm, mental clarity, and a break from the noise of everyday life. To make this message stronger and more connected to other voices, I found 3 TED Talks that share the same idea. The first one is by Adam Stones, who talks about how biking doesn't just help people. It can also improve entire cities by making them healthier, more peaceful, and more connected. The second talk is by Satyam Singh, who shares how biking teaches simple but important life lessons like balance, peace, and slowing down. His words show that riding a bike can help us focus on what really matters. The last talk is by Andres Martin, who shares his story of biking across the country to support mental health. He shows that biking can help us heal and also be a way to help others. These 3 speakers reminds us that biking is more than just a way to get around. It's something that can change how we feel, think, and live. In my speech, I'll share how biking became my peaceful escape and how the simple act of pedaling helps release stress, brings focus, and creates space to breathe. Biking started as something simple for me, just a way to get from one place to another, but over time, it became much more. It turned into a quiet space where I could breathe, think, and feel at peace. In today's fast-moving world, everything can feel too loud and overwhelming. We are constantly surrounded by noise, deadlines, and screens. For me, biking became the pause I needed. When I'm on a bike, it's not just about reaching a destination. It's about the feeling of the wind, the steady rhythm of pedaling, and the calm that comes with it. It is a moment where the world slows down and everything feels a little easier. Science even supports this. Cycling releases chemicals in the brain like endorphins and serotonin, which help improve our mood and lower stress. It also reduces cortisol, the stress hormone, making us feel more relaxed and focused. There was even a study in 2019 that showed people felt stronger, more connected, and more peaceful after outdoor biking. They said that the sound of nature, the fresh air, and the quiet movement help them heal. Biking creates space, not just physical space, but mental space too. It helps clear my mind, especially during stressful times. It's also a break from social pressure and academic stress. Whether you're young or old, biking gives you the chance to disconnect and just be present. It taught me that comfort doesn't always mean being still. Sometimes, it means moving forward at your own pace, feeling the world around you, and feeling peace through that motion. Biking may seem like a small thing, but to me, it's powerful. It reminds me that sometimes, the simplest things can bring the deepest sense of comfort and clarity. I'll also include the ideas from the TED speakers to show how biking can not only bring personal comfort but also help communities and inspire others. In the end, I hope to leave my audience with this thought that peace isn't always found in stillness. Sometimes it comes from moving forward, quietly and freely, one pedal at a time.